Hello everybody, today I present to you the Sternglas topograph watch. This brand sent me a cult model of production for present to you and for enjoy. I hope you like the bow style. It's so fine look, I think. The box is so cool, it's present so minimalist with some inscription on the box. It's a paper box, but very cool finish. I open the watch yet. This manual is for explain how to change the strap, put the hour, the date, many up. How to set the hour. After we've got paper for guarantee in German and in English. Up. Nobody's seen the watch, I hope. And the Bauhaus style, like we see. Sternglas make a very cool finish and a very cool watch with a style so particular. The hand, like we can see, look in the air. The center of the hand is black, like the dial, and when we look for the hour, it seems that the hand are in the air. So cool. The watch is minimalist, like we can see. The mini finishing. I take a black one with a green olive strap, but stainless, cream for the strap, mesh too. Many choice for the watch and many personality. I want a badass look, and it's for that I take a black one. It's an automatic watch, like you can see, and the movement, it's a Mayota. The Mayota movement is indestructible and so reliable. A German watch with, I think, Swiss quality and Japanese movement for a very cool combo. Personally, I recommend this brand. You can go on our site and command a watch. Very perfect design, and you can show that this watch is very unusual. Your friend look at your wrist and ask, what is this brand? Wow, I never see. I recommend.